If you're tired of cluttering your kitchen with gadgets that never get used, these unique kitchen tools are here to change that. From space-saving solutions to clever tools that make cooking a breeze, these gadgets are as functional as they are innovative. Whether you're an experienced chef or just starting out, these items will save you time, effort, and space, making every meal prep an enjoyable experience. Ready to elevate your cooking game? Let's dive in. Keep your food fresh for longer with this versatile vacuum sealer. With multiple modes including dry, wet, seal, and vacuum, it is perfect for preserving meats, seafood, vegetables, and more. The 5 sealing temperature options ensure an optimal seal for different foods. With 135 watts of power, it completes sealing in just 10 to 20 seconds, extending freshness up to 10 times longer. The compact design, 14.96 by 2.95 by 2.17 inches, makes it easy to store, while the clear indicators and overheat protection ensure safe use. This starter kit includes vacuum seal bags, a hose, and an AC adapter. This Artisan Series stand mixer features a 5 quarts stainless steel bowl with a comfortable handle, capable of mixing dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in one batch. With a 59-point planetary mixing action, it ensures thorough ingredient incorporation for even consistency. The tilt head design provides easy access to the bowl and attached beater, making it simple to add ingredients. The powerful motor is ideal for stirring, kneading, or whipping. This versatile mixer comes with a flat beater, dough hook, wire whip, and pouring shield, all dishwasher safe. Available in a variety of colors to match any kitchen style. The OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper is ideal for cutting dough, sectioning crusts, scraping baking sheets, and chopping vegetables. The stainless steel blade includes 1/4-inch markings for easy measurement, helping with precise cutting. Its tall design ensures hands stay safely away from food while working. The soft, non-slip handle offers a comfortable grip for extended use. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, this versatile kitchen tool is perfect for both professional chefs and home bakers. The scraper's sturdy construction ensures it handles various kitchen tasks with ease, making it a must-have for every kitchen. Revolutionize your relaxation space with the COUCHCONSOLE tray. Its self-balancing weighted cup holder uses a gyroscope system to keep your drink upright, even on uneven surfaces. Modular in design, the tray allows for customizable layouts with multiple storage sections for snacks, tech, and more. A built-in USB-C port keeps your devices charged, while the sleek design ensures long-lasting durability. Perfect for use in the living room, bedroom, car, or on the go, this versatile tray keeps essentials within reach, enhancing comfort wherever you are. This self-stirring coffee mug set includes 2 400 milliliters mugs with USB charging cables for easy operation. Designed with a magnet at the bottom, it automatically stirs your coffee with the push of a button, ensuring a smooth and fragrant brew every time. The removable bottom allows for quick cleaning, though the mug should not be immersed in water or washed in the dishwasher to maintain functionality. Made from durable stainless steel and plastic, these mugs are reliable and long-lasting. Perfect as a gift, each mug is individually packaged to ensure safe delivery. The KITCHENAID large dish drying rack features an extendable design, adjustable from 19.2 to 26.7 inches in length, allowing it to fit various kitchen sizes. It includes a drain board that collects excess water and a 360 degrees rotatable outlet to guide the water to the sink. Made from premium stainless steel, the rack is rust and fingerprint-free, making it easy to clean. Anti-slip silicone caps on the feet ensure stability and prevent scratches on countertops. With compartments for dishes, cups, and a cutlery holder, it helps organize your kitchenware effectively, keeping your counter tidy after washing. Experience comfort and support with STEPRITE's cushioned kitchen mats. Measuring 0.4 inches thick, the mat reduces fatigue by easing pressure on your feet and joints, allowing you to stand for longer. Made from premium materials, it retains its shape and durability over time. The stain-resistant surface is easy to clean, while the non-slip backing keeps the mat secure on most surfaces. Ideal for kitchens, laundry rooms, offices, and more, this mat offers reliable support for various tasks. Enjoy comfort and safety in every step with this long-lasting anti-fatigue mat. This silverware organizer offers a large capacity with 2 expandable panels to store more utensils, cutlery, and kitchen tools. Adjustable in size between 13 and 22.4 inches, it fits various drawer dimensions. When expanded, it measures 22.4 by 15 by 2 inches, and when folded, it reduces to 13 by 15 by 2 inches, making it a versatile storage solution. With 8 compartments, it provides easy sorting and access to silverware. Made from thick, BPA-free premium PP material, it's durable and long-lasting. This organizer is simple to use and easy to clean, though it should not be washed in the dishwasher. The mixing bowl set comes with airtight lids, ensuring easy storage of ingredients and leftovers without leaks. With 3 grater attachments for slicing, grating, and shredding, you can prepare food directly into the bowls. Non-slip silicone bottoms keep the bowls in place while mixing and prevent countertop scratches. The set features nesting bowls in 6 sizes, making it easy to store them in cabinets. Dishwasher safe. The stainless steel construction is durable, resistant to rust, and easy to clean. It includes additional kitchen tools like a whisk, spatula, measuring spoons, and a brush for added convenience. Revolutionize your food cleaning process with this advanced washing machine. Using hydroxy water ion purification technology, it efficiently removes harmful residues from fruits, vegetables, seafood, meat, and kitchenware. The 3-step purification process, electrolysis, degradation, and deep purification, ensures over 99% of contaminants are eliminated. Easy to operate. Simply press a button to start cleaning and enjoy fresh food in just 10 minutes. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it offers up to 25 uses per charge. Its portable, wireless design makes it ideal for travel, while the IPX7 waterproof standard guarantees safety and durability. The STARFRIT electric ROTATO Express makes peeling fruits and vegetables effortless, allowing you to peel everything from potatoes to kiwis without touching the produce. Its hands-free operation provides a mess-free experience, while the non-slip base ensures stability during use. With 2 spare blades stored conveniently underneath, it offers long-lasting performance. A thumb knife is included for precision paring tasks. The ROTATO Express operates with a 6V adapter, so it's ready for use right out of the box, providing convenience for your kitchen tasks. Make freezer storage neat and efficient with this innovative food block maker. Designed to fit quart-sized plastic food bags, it creates thin, compact blocks for easy stacking and organization in your freezer. Silicone bands expand as food freezes, allowing for mess-free filling and simple removal once frozen. The space-saving design ensures your freezer remains organized, while the blocks defrost faster and more safely. Made from BPA-free plastic, it is durable and easy to clean by hand. Perfect for storing leftovers and frozen meals. It keeps food fresh and organized. The KUHN RIKON Auto Safety Lid Lifter opens cans without touching the food inside, ensuring maximum hygiene. Its lock-on technology automatically attaches to the lid, eliminating the need to clamp it. This opener safely removes lids without leaving sharp edges, making it safer than traditional can openers. Once the lid is opened, mini pliers are used to remove it, keeping your hands clean. Easy to clean with a damp cloth, the opener is a practical tool for your kitchen and helps maintain safety and cleanliness during can opening. The kitchen trash can offers a 13 gallons capacity, ideal for daily use and compatible with standard 13 gallons trash bags. Its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel surface is easy to clean, while the sealed exterior and infrared technology help to isolate odors. The trash can features advanced automatic sensing technology, allowing the lid to open hands-free with just a motion. Perfect for the kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, or office, it combines hygiene and convenience. Its touchless technology ensures that you dispose of trash hygienically and silently, making it a modern and effective addition to any room. PRESTO Electric Knife Sharpener. Achieve professional sharpening results at home with this easy-to-use electric knife sharpener. The 3-stage sharpening system is perfect for a variety of blades, from kitchen knives to hunting knives. With adjustable guides, it ensures the optimal sharpening angle for thick, medium, or thin blades. The extra-fine ceramic wheel hones the blade to a razor-sharp edge, making it ideal for kitchen tasks or sports equipment. The system guarantees precise, no-guess sharpening, saving you time and effort. Compact and efficient, it offers professional-grade results with ease and convenience. Concluding our list is the FORLIM Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, featuring a smart gravity sensor for easy use. Just flip the grinder, and it starts grinding automatically. This automatic feature is perfect for those with arthritis or anyone looking for a more convenient solution. The grinder offers multiple grinding levels to customize the coarseness of your seasoning. Made with a transparent acrylic body, it allows you to see the remaining spices and adds an elegant blue LED light. Powered by 4 AAA batteries, not included, it's perfect for home kitchens, restaurants, and outdoor events. Goodbye for now, and thanks for watching. Which of these unique kitchen gadgets are you excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome kitchen ideas. Want to see more cool gadgets that actually make life easier? Stay tuned and hit that bell to never miss an update.